Hi, Mandy.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, this interview for the manual testing.
Yes,
So, are you feeling comfortable?
yes, I'm.
Yeah, good. So, could you please explain me about yourself, your roles and responsibilities would be in your recent project?
Okay, my name is Mandeep, and I hold 2 years of experience in manual testing. And
Yeah, go ahead.
I have worked on two projects in my past organization. One is IC.
Your voice is breaking in between. Please make sure your internet should be fine.
Yeah, my internet is stable, but don't know why it is
Okay, fine. Go
having.
ahead.
Yeah. So my roles and responsibilities in these projects are understanding the requirements and writing the test cases, attending the Scrum calls, and also attending retrospective meetings. And as
Okay.
well as we are following agile methodology, so we are attending all the agile ceremonies which we have.
Okay.
And yeah, I have raised around 600 bugs in these two projects.
Okay.
And these two projects. And
Mhm.
I and I have knowledge on Jira, it is a tools. So I have knowledge on Jira, Azure, and as well as Confluence. So
Okay.
and also I for the client requirement, I have worked on task automation testing
Mm-hmm.
in Kmart.
Okay.
Both manual and Tosca I have did in one project.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice. So I think you are aware about the software testing life cycle, right?
Yes, I have
So could
knowledge
you
on
please
that.
explain me what was the life cycle you did
Okay.
for?
Okay. So first in software testing, we have software bidding.
Okay.
Project initiation plan is there, and after that we have requirement gathering. And in after requirement gathering, understanding the requirement, and they will be doing the designing. So first they will be doing planning, and after that designing, and after that they will be writing coding, and after that we have test plan, test analysis, test execution, and test environment, defect reporting, and after that we have
Yeah.
yes.
Your voice getting break in between.
Mhm. Actually, my internet is stable, but don't know why it is waving for you.
Okay, that's okay, fine. So I think you are aware about white box, black box, gray box testing, right?
Yes, I have
So
knowledge. Yeah.
yeah, what is the difference between them? What is a white box? When we go for white box, what is the black box? And so could you please explain me about them?
So first we have after coding, developers will test in white box testing. So if
Okay.
there are any issues from the code side, they will be doing the checks first. That is unit testing. And after that, if they give any confirmation, we have unit. First we have unit testing, and after that integration testing, and after that we have black box testing after 100% of coding, and
Okay.
also white box testing is done. So that we have black box testing. In that black box testing, one is system testing and other one is uh,
Okay.
testing.
So
Yeah.
yeah, fine. That's nice. So my next question would be, what is unit testing and difference between functional testing and non-functional testing?
Okay, actually unit testing is done by the developers. Is there any issues in the code side, they will be checking. So majorly, the major part is from the dev team side.
Okay.
So testers is not totally involved in that unit testing.
Okay.
Yeah. Could you please repeat the second question?
But what is the functional testing and non-functional testing?
Okay, functional testing. So in functional testing, we will be doing basically functional testing means the testing of the functionality of the application.
Okay.
So what was the functionality of the application? We will be checking. So
Okay.
non-functional testing means graphical user interface testing
Okay.
and performance testing. These all under in non-functional testing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. The next question, you know about that bug life cycle, right?
Yes, I know.
So it is a part of software life cycle testing
Yeah.
life cycle, right?
Yes.
So what is the difference between that bug life cycle to this software testing life cycle?
Actually, totally both is different. Like
Okay.
in the testing cycle, we will be doing the testing. So for the will be raising the bug. So in this bug life cycle means once we found any bug, we will check the expected and actual value in the RTM. RTM means requirement traceability matrix. We will check there, and if not behaving as expected, we will be raising the bug. After raising the bug, it will be yeah, it will be verified by the Scrum Master whether it is valid or invalid.
Okay.
So both are different.
Okay. That's nice.
Mhm.
So here black box techniques, you know, right?
Yeah.
So could you please explain me black box techniques and what is the procedure to do that?
Okay. So black box testing means after 100% of coding, we will be doing black box testing.
Okay.
So in that black box testing, uh, what are all the functional and non-functional is there, we will be testing.
Okay.
So for that testing, we have some of the process like smoke testing, sanity testing, uh, and also end-to-end testing, exhaustive testing, early testing, and these are all testings included in black box testing,
Yeah, that's
retesting, regression testing, and all.
okay. That's nice. So you know the types of test cases, right? Test case design.
Yes,
Write test cases, review test cases template, types of test cases, difference between test scenarios and test cases also, you know, right?
test scenarios and test cases. Yes.
Yeah. Did you work on test cases in your recent project? And where did
Uh,
you work on? Could you please explain me scenario? Where did you work on test cases?
yeah, I have worked on test cases like when any Scrum Master or client
Your voice is missing in between. I don't know why.
can I rejoin the call if possible?
Yeah, you continue right now. After 2 hours, we will arrange some other schedule for you. You continue now. Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, tell me. Go ahead.
actually, once stakeholders are business analysts or Scrum Masters, they will give us user stories.
Okay.
So we will be taking that user stories and writing the test cases. So
Okay.
after that test cases, we will first we will be writing test scenarios. After that, we will be writing test cases. So for that test cases, we will be doing that process in our previous organization.
Okay. So, what was the scenario? Could you please explain me? Scenario where you did complete the test cases.
Um, okay. So basically, scenario means uh, one or more lines,
Okay.
and end-to-end steps we will be following in the test scenario.
Okay. In that cases, you did test cases, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's so fine. So, do you know the steps? What are the steps that we go for the test cases? For
We have
example, if they given you some test cases to do, right? So, in that cases, what is the procedure that you follow to do the test cases?
to do the test cases. Firstly, I will be understanding the user story,
Mm. Okay.
and after that, detailed description,
Okay.
and like that we will be following. Like
Okay. Yeah.
yes,
Okay. Fine. That's nice. So there is one last question from my side.
yeah.
Do you know that bugs arise? There are different types of bugs are there.
Okay.
So could you able to recall them? So different types of bugs, identifying the bug, isolation the bugs, reporting the bugs.
Uh,
Such kind of types are there, right? Could you able to recall them?
I didn't get you. Could you please elaborate?
The bugs, right? Types of bugs.
Okay. Types
So
of bugs means.
bugs tracking, bugs reporting.
Mhm.
You know, right? How to track the bugs.
Yes, yes,
Eh,
yes. In Jira,
Uh,
we will follow the
yes,
bug
yes.
tracking. Like bug tracking tools means Jira. So in
Okay,
that Jira, we will be raising the bug, and after that, we will be tracking each and every bug which we have raised. So in that bug life cycle, firstly we will raise the bug. So that
yeah,
the particular life cycle is firstly we will raise the bug. So that status is in new. when we have raised the bug. After that, if if that bug is valid one,
Okay.
that will be going into next phase. If
Oh,
that bug is not valid one, that will be going into invalid phase.
yeah.
So if the bug is valid one, that is assigned by the developer which is working on that particular bug. And after that it is assigned state, and after that it will be moving into the open state. After assigning, when developer is working on that particular bug, it will be in the open state.
Yeah.
And after that, if the bug is fixed,
Mm.
that bug is going into the in QA stage. So
Mhm.
when it in after in QA stage, we will be testing that bug. Like we will be retesting that bug when we have raised it now. After that, we will be retesting the bug. If that bug is closed, like if it is working as expected, we will be closing then and there itself. If that bug is not working as expected, we will be reopening that bug. These are the process for the bug.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so nice, Mandy. So, do you know security testing?
Yes.
Where did you use that security testing in your projects?
We are not using the security testing
Okay.
for that. They have different like team.
Okay. So, that's fine from my side, Mandy. So
Yeah.
these are all the questions.
Mhm.
So one more questions I'm just repeating you, which I have asked you.
Okay.
So what was the complexity that you faced in your recent project, and how did you overcome that?
Okay. So like complexity means, while we have a big release in one of the new project. So at that time we are a team size of 3 members.
Okay.
So in that 3 members, one is out for the leave. So we have did wonderful testing for that. Like we are the team of the two, and we have completed that in 2 days
Okay.
for that whole regression testing. So for
Okay.
that we have one appreciation.
Okay. So I think you are aware about regression testing, right?
Yes,
You worked on regression testing in your
yes,
projects, right?
yes. I have
So could
worked
you
on.
please tell me the scenario where did you use that regression testing and why
Uh,
did you use that?
yeah. So for the regression testing, when we have any new releases happening, or if we found any issues in between, like bugs in
Okay.
between, so at that time we will be doing regression testing for that
Okay.
particular project.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a fine. You might aware about ad hoc testing also, right?
Yes.
So did you use in your recent project ad hoc testing?
Yeah. Like we will using this ad hoc as well as.
Okay. Where did you use that?
So for the ad hoc testing, if we have any new releases happened, so at
Okay.
that time after the deployment, we will be going to the project, and we will be doing ad hoc testing. Like ad hoc testing is also called as monkey testing, right? So randomly we will check the flow.
Okay. That's so nice. So I think what kind of software development model that you are using? Agile methodology or
Yeah, we
what?
are using agile methodology.
Okay. Sprint wise you are working, right?
Yes, sprint wise only we are going. Yeah.
Okay. That's so great. This is all for the today, Amanda.
Okay.
So this is for the feedback time.
Yes.
So when I was asking all the questions, right, you given me the answers is right. So but
Okay.
the thing is you need to maintain the some more clarity over it.
Hmm. Okay.
And one more thing, you worked on two projects, right?
Yes.
As you said. So in that, if any questions ask you which related to scenario explanation, you should
Mm.
be maintain the some clarity what you did in your projects.
Hmm.
So that is
Okay.
only thing. So your explanation was good, but the thing is, please do maintain the some more clarity while explaining,
Okay.
because this is the first mock interview for you, manual testing.
Yeah.
So we will take the more 9 interviews.
Hmm.
So it's okay, but one-to-one interview, you have to take it very challenging and
Oh,
maintain the clarity.
okay, sure, sure. I will be, yeah,
So
improving myself.
yeah, same questions, 3 or 4 questions might be repeat, whatever you are not able to give the clarity over the questions.
Hmm.
So their same questions repeat for the next mock interview also, next mock interview also, till you become perfect on that. So please do maintain the clarity over it. Apart from that, nothing is there from my side. Do you have any questions?
Uh, Myself is that's it. Thank you for the feedback.